Hello everybody, welcome to JoJo's World TV. And I know it's been a while, right, since I was last here. And I do miss you guys. I do miss this making vlogs and stuff. So wow, it's really nice to be back. So I hope everybody is okay. Everybody's being healthy, happy, doing great. Kahit na may pagsubok, sige lang, kapit lang kay Lord, and we still go on. So yeah guys, as you all know, I'm here in China, and then here in China we're gonna be celebrating the Mid-Autumn Festival soon, which is next, well, I forgot which day, Tuesday, I think, next Tuesday on 21st of September. And so it's a big thing here in China, so people are in a festive mood right now. They're preparing for it. You know, families, relatives are coming, and then they're gonna have a feast. So here in our city, it's basically still okay to have reunions now, gatherings, not super crowded gatherings, but like controlled, but it's already allowed. And so yeah, so one of the major things that people eat during this Mid-Autumn Festival is I'm sure you guys know that, right? Yes, okay, mooncakes. Okay, so over the years they have made a lot of different mooncake flavors, outrageous ones, really, guys. So I'm gonna dare myself to try this like weirdly baked, weirdly flavored mooncakes. Okay, so so later I'm gonna go to the grocery. We're gonna choose some of those mooncakes, and when I get home we're gonna have a taste test, and you guys would see the reaction and everything, and then you would know. I don't know, it's just really crazy. I'm excited about it, so hope you guys stay tuned, and let's go to the grocery. So guys, I show you here what I found. These are small mooncakes, and they are like oddly flavored. Actually, there's a mango flavor. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to buy well, I'm not sure how many flavors they have, but most of the flavors I'm gonna buy it. These are like weird mooncakes, but I would really like to try it. And then I'm gonna be taking a video while I try it, and then you guys will be the judge of it, if it's a good one or not. You'll see it based on my face or my reaction. So okay, so let's look at the different flavor here. So as I've said, it's usually lotus paste or red bean, right? So they have something like this one is a 小蜜桃, so it's something like peach, so that's gonna go in the basket. And then there's like green bean is something like I usually have that, so that's not gonna be something special. Black sesame, okay. 黑芝麻, all right, okay, that's gonna be in the basket as well. This is quite interesting, guys. It's a 香辣牛肉味. It's beef, spicy beef. Oh my goodness, this is like really super weird. Because you know, guys, mooncakes are usually sweet, but then being a beef, that's gonna be quite maybe savory. So it's I'm trying to look for some weird stuff that we can, we can try, and then you guys would see the reaction. I think it's gonna be really fun, isn't it, to try this weird flavor stuff. But then here they still have some. There's a strawberry one in here, something pretty new as well. And I already have the mango, right, guys? Some orange flavor, 甜橙味甜橙味还有什么呢？ 莲蓉, guys, is the lotus paste. So I'm not gonna get that because that's like kind of the usual flavor. We're up to the weird ones. Yeah, so I think there's another one on that side. Hold on. Okay, there's no more. I think I got all the weird stuff flavor here. So let's go on this side because there's still some more. Here they have the pineapple flavor. I think there's like a pineapple cake of Taiwan, so it's not like this is something really extraordinary. So I'm not gonna get this, guys. But there's one here That is this one is a taro flavor. Let's get that. Taro, pineapple. I guess that's it. So, so guys, I got it all in the basket. It's here. Yeah, they're here. So, when I get home, we're gonna do the taste test and see how they taste. It's really gonna be fun. So, I'm just gonna go and pay it. See you guys later. Hello everybody, so I'm back here at home and you're still watching JoJo's World TV. So after buying this mooncakes, I'm now back home and I change into red because it's just, you know, it's just a lucky color for the Mid-Autumn Festival. So once again everybody, happy Mid-Autumn Festival. And this year, it's on the 21st of September, so hopefully I could publish this video on that date or maybe a few days after, but not too late, hopefully. So yeah, so we are all ready and the mooncakes are here with me, those that I got earlier. And I have prepared, of course, water. Kasi pag tinikman ko siya, syempre kailangan ko ng water to, hindi ko kasi alam yung mga lasa ng mga to. They're kind of, you know, as I've said, a very unique flavor. So I don't know what, are they going to be good? Are they going to be yikes or something? So I had this water. It's pretty hot. That's why you can still see some of the mist there. So yeah, I prepared the water. I prepared this. We're gonna try 6 mooncakes, guys, and of course I have a plate here and knife. So to try it. Of course I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I was just gonna, you know, try each one and see how they taste, because I've never tried any of this ever. So this is gonna be the first time, so let's see. Okay, let's begin. I know you guys are so excited to see. So where do we start? I think I'm gonna be starting with a strawberry first. So let's see about this, the strawberry flavor. Everybody, it's maybe it's mirror image on your side. So it's Tao Mei Wei, strawberry flavor. So yikes, here we go. So as I've said, usually mooncakes are flavored lotus paste or red bean. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's try this, guys. I'm just gonna cut a bit of it. Strawberry flavored daw. Hindi ko alam. Natatakot din ako. Okay, I smelled something strawberry. Actually, it's kind of good. Okay, so let's give the rating of the strawberry. Pretty good. I'll give it that. Let's just say 5 is the highest, 5 is the best, like that. So strawberry, I'm gonna give it a 4. Okay, let's put that aside, put it back in the plastic. I'm not sure, guys, what I'm gonna do with this, you know, after slicing them bit by bit. Okay, so now let's try the black sesame. Hey, Zhima. Let's see. Gonna cut it. Okay, all right. Itim na itim, everybody. Kasi black sesame siya. Smells good though. Because black sesame, they smell really good. Apparently, these strange flavors are really kind of good. Ang bango niya. So I'm okay with this. Black sesame, I'm gonna give it a 4. Really, guys. Wow, I can't believe it. Okay. Inom muna ako tubig lang. Okay. What's the next one? So I have the taro, the beef flavor. Let's put the beef in the last, okay, guys? Okay, and then I have the peach and the orange. So let's do peach. Xiaomi Tao Wei. Okay, it's open now. Again, I'm smelling it first. Mooncakes, okay, everybody. So there are like a lot of different stories about the Moon Festival, like legends and stuff. And I wonder if you guys have heard of any of those stories. Okay, so this is the peach, right? Okay, let's try it. Funny though, because why does it taste the same as the strawberry? I think they just put all the same thing. Yeah, just tastes the same as the strawberry. Is it just the packaging or what? They look almost the same though. So. Not gonna rate it. Okay, next one. Let's do the orange, okay? Tubig muna, tubig. Orange. Orange is a 甜橙味. 甜橙味. I hope it doesn't just taste like the strawberry or the peach. If that's the case, then I think they just, put all the same things in this and just say in the package that it's this flavor, that flavor. But the black sesame is really good, guys. Okay. Oh, it has a salted egg inside. Okay, this orange thing has a salted egg inside. Okay, it smells kind of strange, but gotta try it. Ibabalik ko na lang siya sa lalagyan, guys. Alam niyo na ibig sabihin nun. Wag na natin pag-usapan yun. Ito na tayo, sa taro na tayo. Okay, sa taro na tayo. Tsusuwei. Okay. Tubig. Okay. Ito na. Punasan na lang natin itong kutsilyo muna. Okay. Wipe it. And now we're on to our taro flavor thingy. Wow! Talagang parang taro na siya because it's a little purplish inside. It doesn't smell... It doesn't smell good. No. Oh, no. Oh, no way. Oh, my God. The orange and the taro are just gonna be like one or less than that. Oh, no. Oh, no, please. Pinilit ko lang lunukin yun. Nahiya naman ako durain sa harap ninyo yun. And the last one is a xiangla niu rou wei. It means like a spicy beef mooncake. Sama na ba ng mukha ko? Okay, guys. Beef flavor. Actually, I've seen taro flavor. I've seen an abalone flavor, but I didn't see it there when I was buying it. I've seen it before. And then there's also an oozing cheese flavor thing. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, beef. They said it's beef, but there's something in there and not just beef, No. Beef. No way, guys. Put it back in the package. I would say, guys, that the best of them all is the black sesame one. Okay. Anyway, it has been fun. It has been fun, you know, doing all this taste tests and stuff. So yeah, guess I'm gonna be drinking lots of water, you know, to wash down like the palate, the taste of it. But anyway, it's been fun. Thank you very much, guys, for staying tuned. And don't go away because I have a special it was just like a special thing that I did with my friend. We went out, we saw this, they have an activity for the Mid-Autumn Festival. It was really cool. So do watch that after this. Bye. Thank you again, guys. Thank you for watching JoJo's World TV, and next time again. Hey everybody, so this one is in a mall, and of course celebrating the Mid-Autumn Festival, and people can send message and then you can see it in this artificial moon. And yeah, it's really cool. I sent a message to my mom. I'll show you guys later. Send the message again, no? Oh, Lena, yung naka-happy face, there's a happy face. Message? Yeah. There, I am there, mommy, for you.